Well, hey there guys, it's your favorite backyard geographer. I was out in the garage going through my junk and I thought of you. All right, 1961, John F. Kennedy becomes the 35th president. Walt Disney releases 101 Dalmatians, The Parent Trap, Babes in Toyland, and many others on the big screen. But something else debuted in 1961, which I want to share with you today. The Marx Company and the Walt Disney Company joined together to release none other than their iconic Disney Snap-eZe. The Lewis Marx and Company was a toy manufacturer between 1919 and 1980, known for their slogan, "One of many toys, have you all of them." They produced some of the most iconic metal toys of the 1900s, trains, tanks, cars. In about the 1950s and 60s, they started introducing more plastic. And then enter the iconic Disney Kins, large and small Mickey Mouse figurines, and the Snap-eZe. There were 2 series, 24 characters in all. Marx's first series, the Walt Disney Snap-eZe in 1961, included 12 figures: Pinocchio, Jose, Carioca, Jiminy Cricket, Pluto, Donald Duck, Goofy, Mickey Mouse, Brer Rabbit, Bambi, Gepetto, Dewey, and Peter Pan. Then later they would release the second series, which included much harder to find figures, 12 of those as well: Babes in Toyland, Captain Hook, Ludwig Von Drake, Brer Bear, Mad Hatter, Panchito, the Dalmatian, Figaro, Practical Pig, Dopey, and the March Hare. So I don't have all of them, but this is I think it's a pretty large collection of the original Disney Snap-eZe. And what's really neat about them is that they do have the original, Marx Company icon that was stamped on the plastic. They came on these little removable bases, and so they kind of pop off. But what was, that was this, I don't know if you heard the snap noise when I did that, but they make a little snap noise. But what's neat is that they were all posable. So these were very inexpensive toys. They came in a little box, you got one at a time, and they were kind of like your little posable figures where they can be mixed and matched in your favorite scenes. So I'm carrying the Ludwig Von Drake, which is one of my favorite Disney characters, because he's, Austrian, I'm Austrian, he's a professor, I'm a professor, and he's really good looking, and so am I. But what we have other here that I've got is the Babes in Toyland, Captain Hook. They're just a very unique Disney piece of culture. Again, just like the Disney Kins, they were all hand-painted and detailed, which just kind of makes them really individualized and unique. So maybe you remember some of those Marx toys, maybe you had some of these Snap-eZe, or maybe you even have one in the original box. I'd love to see it and know about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll talk soon. Known for their slogan, "One of many toys, have you all of them." I don't like how I said that.
What?